Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the How to Make a Tycoon game in Unity. So let's get straight into it. Sorry it's been a while. So first of all, I centered the panel obviously, then added another button next to the make choose. I added a buy button. So that's what we're gonna do today, adding buying stores. So I forgot to do this off camera, so here we go. UI, then image, text, and then this is gonna be a store count text to keep track of how much stores we buy. So there we go, everything's done here. Then open Visual Studios, and then I just added three variables, by amount float. So that's 5, that's how much our store is gonna cost. Then public text, get text, so that's just referencing our text we just made, and then public float store, so that's self-explanatory. Store the store count. So let's go. Then we wanna make a function to call on when we press the button. So public, and then public void, and then public void. Then we wanna name this buy, and then don't forget the brackets. Then close the brackets, then shift and curly brackets. Then we wanna add an if statement. So what this does, we're gonna check if we have enough money to buy the store. So we're gonna say if what's the variable called? So by amount, or whatever you call the store cost variable, is less than. So the less than sign is that, like the crocodile is eating that way. So yeah, and then is less than current money, current, and then money. And then what you wanna do, brackets, then curly brackets, press enter, because no one likes untidy code. And then what we want to do, we want to say current money, and then that's minus equals current money, and then plus equals, and then by amount. So there we go. That's minus the store cost from our current balance, because we don't want to be giving away these stores for free. And then we want to boost the add money every time we buy a store. So add money, and then let's just say plus equal like 2 every time we click on the add button. So then we want to do the same thing with the buy amount, because then we just can buy stores over and over again. So buy amount, and let's just boost that and then say, sorry, I'm an idiot, plus equal, and then let's say like $5 every time, so there, and then we want to go down here, text money dot text equals current, yeah, and then we want to copy that, so let's copy it and then paste it here because this will update the money when we press the buy button. It won't work because we need to press the add button to update it every time because we don't have an update method in here. We could add it, but there's no point now. We already done it. So get text dot text, get text. Don't take the suggestion from the thing, it's wrong. So get text equals the store. So we wanna update our store count dot toString. And then I'm gonna show you a quick little trick to speed up your code. So you wanna say store and then plus plus. So this will update the variable by 1 every time. So by store say equal, I don't know what I did there, almost broke my computer, then equals 0, and then, sorry, that's it, and then save it, and then go to Unity, and then go to wherever you added your script on, and then add the add your store text. So this one, I should have gave it a name to locate the text easier, but it's too late now. And then go to your buy button and then scroll down to on-click function. So then drag your canvas on here where you added the script and then go down to add money and then find the buy function and then that should work. So let's go press play. If Unity could work real quick, that would be nice. If we add 10 and then press buy, that flip. That's why I should have named it. I did the store count on this one accidentally. Let me just fix that real quick. So the store count is this one. So this one over there. I'm an idiot. Sorry guys. That's my bad. Now Unity loads, so this adds money, click, click, click. Then when this goes to 0, and since this is store plus plus, it will go 1. It went 0 the other time because how coding works, the numbering systems go at count 0 first. So instead of starting at 0, it goes 0, 1, 2, 3. It's pretty weird, but that's how it is. So yeah, it works. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed and see you in the next one. Peace.